All right. Okay. Tighten down. Grab that. Slide it this way a little bit. Keep going. Alright. A little bit more or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Right there. Oop. Are we a little high still?
No, I think it might be the opposite.
They were low?
Actually, it might go in.
Hold on, let me dump my beer. There it is. Man, I think that's the easiest engine install I've ever seen. Man, that bolt's got a flat spot on it. It doesn't matter.
Why? Why does it not go in? Oh, shit.
Doesn't matter. Get something caught in there?
No, I forgot all about this housing being threaded.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. I didn't even think about that.
That bolt's not going to go in?
It's going. One way or the other.
You want to put the nuts on this side?
Yeah, go ahead and throw everything on.
Cool.
It'll go in one way or the other. But your bolt on the starter, did you see it had a flat spot?
Yeah.
I don't know how we're going to get that to go all the way in then.
What to go all the way in?
That bolt on the starter.
No, it's good.
Oh, it's in?
No, it's got a flat spot on the head. But it's no big deal. Maybe it's a square-headed bolt. I'm not sure. Maybe let's switch nuts. Otherwise, I'm not going to thread it all the way in by hand. Alright. Okay. Try number 2 with the VW motor. I think we got it that time. Spin it on. Alright.